Hello, let me show you how we can perform a backup on Samsung Galaxy S25. In order to back up your data, we can go to settings, scroll down, and we need to find this option, accounts and backup. Go over here, and we have 3 choices in total that we can use on this phone in order to back up our data. We have Samsung Cloud, so we can store our backup on the Samsung Cloud by choosing this backup data option. We can also choose Google Drive. And here we also have the backup data option. And last but not least, we can also use a USB flash drive or USB storage device in general. And we can choose external storage transfer. And once you connect your USB flash drive or USB storage device to your phone, then you should be able to perform a backup on that device as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.